Subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will never miss an update.
Hi friends, my name is Vishnu. In this video I'm going to show you the YouTube Studio error. As you can see, I need to edit my thumbnail, so I selected this and press, but here you can see the save button is not working. So now I'm going to show how to fix it. It's just very easy. Before you watch the full video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start. First, you have to just add a dot, just change your title, like insert a dot and again backspace. As you can see, the save button is now working. I press save. Okay, the thumbnail has been changed. Let's see it. As you can see, the thumbnail has been changed. All you have to do is just change the title and just rename the title or change the title, whatever you got. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.